Hello, this is Fuzuki. So for my Pechakucha presentation, I would like to talk about why people should care about fashion. Because I'm a fashion major and fashion is one of the most topics people care about recently. So first of all, when people start to care about outfits, it's almost the same time when people start to think about their identity. Fashion can be one of the ways to express yourself. So I will show some example how you see the characteristic by fashion visually. In this style, you can see the mood of feminine or girly. This style can tell you that the person tries to show their aspects of girls or ladies. In contrast, this rock style gives you the impression of strong, unique, or independent, rather than lady or girls elements. It can show you to be a different from typical girls. As you can tell from this picture, it's hippie style. Hippie style can even tell you the lifestyle or perspectives, like how you think about nature, peace, or love, even by the outfits sometimes. Also, fashion can show your culture background. Even if you cannot tell the specific culture fashion in this picture, I believe you can see the difference by looking at silhouette, shape, patterns, or color. You sometimes need to consider how you wear formal or casual. When you go to activity, you should wear something easy to move. But when you go to ceremony, you should dress up nicely as model. Makeup is also a part of fashion because it is a way to make you look better. Makeup sometimes help you to look professional in office, like you by fixing your eyebrows or by the foundation you can make your skin look nicely. But some people say it's expensive to catch up trends or have brands outfits always. And they also sometimes say you should pay attention to grow your mental or inside. But do you really need to pay a lot of money for outfits? To answer that question, I also want to explain about upcycling fashion. So recently, it has been appeared in fashion industry not to waste fabrics or garments. So these outfits are made by recycled. Vintage or used clothes are also one of the style, not only the option to buy at cheap price. You can find your own style because there are a bunch of different clothes in that stores. After you see all the styles, you can tell there are many different ways to express yourself only by outfits like visually. It's the most important to know about yourself and find your style rather than catching up the trends or paying a lot of money. An American designer, Rachel Zoe, also said, "Style is a way to say who you are without having to speak." So she also mentioned fashion can be the way to tell about yourself. Fashion is not only make you look good, but also give you the confidence. Once you have a confidence, it helps you to perform better or help you to look professional in the job. So from a movie, David Wears Prada, that quote also said, fashion can be art. So once you know a little bit about how to express yourself visually, it can make your life a little bit better. So This is my old presentation. Thank you for listening to my presentation.